Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and share. Today I want us to look at the question which says express 3x squared minus 24x plus 50 in the form ax plus b squared plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. Hence, find the coordinates of the turning point. Okay, so we have 3x squared minus 24x plus 50, and we want to show it in the form ax plus b squared plus c. Alright, so what we can do is we ensure that the coefficient of this term which is squared should be 1. So for us to make it like that, what we can do is just factorize these two. So we can say just the 3 as being common. We'll have x squared minus 3 into 24 is 8x, then plus 50. Then from there, this one in brackets, we complete the square. To complete the square, we'll say x squared as it is minus 8x. Then here we'll look at this term. Half of the coefficient, half of negative 8 is negative 4. Then we square it. And then we are going to add. So negative 4, we square it. Then we also subtract the same thing. And then you can close the bracket plus 50. We are trying to complete the square here. So from there we say this is equal to 3. Then x squared minus 8x, this gives us 16 minus 16, and then plus 50. Okay, now let me maintain this one as a quadratic function, so that will give us 3x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then this negative 16, I want to join the 50. So if I'm to do that, first of all, I need to multiply 3 by the same negative 16, giving us negative 48. So we'll say plus, rather minus 48 plus 50. And then here, we have completed the square, so we just factorize. To factorize this one, if we have completed the square, just these two will do, taking the square root of this one and the square root of this one, with this sign. So the square root of x squared is x. Then there is a minus here, because the square root has two signs, either positive or negative. So how we know which one will be here? It's this term that will tell us. The square root there is 4. And then we can now square it. Negative 48 plus 50 is simply positive 2. So if you check, this is the form that they asked us that we present this question into. So in this case, our A is 3, our B is negative 4, and our C is 2. Then the question goes on to say, hence find the coordinates of the turning point. So the turning point is given by this simple formula, negative B, comma C. So negative b comma c from there. So say negative, our b is negative 4, you can still say negative 4 here, comma, our c is 2. And this gives us the positive 4, comma 2. Positive 4, comma 2. So these are the coordinates of the turning point, and we are done. Thank you for watching.